thank you very much for arranging this crash course, and I believe that this particular course will certainly help me to achieve my high achieving score, which is 79 plus.
You should say all the best.
All
man.
the best. All the best.
No, you should say all the best. He's saying something. Okay,
Yeah,
one.
Thanks.
I don't know.
You just say something about. Thing is the describe image.
Thank you for the support for us. I really appreciate it. I hope I'm gonna get my desired score that time.
All the best.
All the best.
All the best.
Thank you for inviting us for intensive class.
We don't invite you because they pay. We didn't
But
invite
it's
you.
very cheap, you know,
Okay,
120.
don't use the word cheap. Okay, any one sentence.
The best center for the coaching.
Okay, thank you very much, my friend.
I am attending the one-day intensive course from here. This is the best.
You're trying to wile us?
Yes, the best study center here.
Okay, thank you very much.
Come here and join us.
And all the best for your next attempt. I do believe that you can get your desired score. My friend,
Thank you for your support. I think this one-day intensive course is very helpful. I feel more confident to achieve 79.
okay, all the best. Say all the best, man.
All the best.
Thank you.
Hi, the one-day intensive course was really very helpful, and I got to know many good strategies. Hopefully this time I'll nail it. All the best.
Yes, all the best.
Hi, this is my first PTE coaching class. So I hope I got a lot of techniques and knowledge. So I hope to get a desired score in my next attempt.
So you should practice.
Yeah,
You should practice.
yes,
When? Before the exam date.
yeah. Maybe next.
Every day you should practice. My friend, say something about us or say something about the classes.
Thank you for getting us this opportunity, and this time maybe I will get my score because
To claim 20 points. To claim 20 points.
20 points.
Yes. To claim 20 points.
It will build confidence on me.
Okay, very good, very good.
Because I didn't study for some time, so I need to refresh my knowledge on the strategies. That's why I came today. But most of the issues that I had were clarified.
Oh, very good. My friend, could you please tell something about us, positive or negative?
Yeah, actually, this helps me a lot to build my confidence because I've lost my motivation once I gave my test last week.
Do you think that we try to motivate you?
Yes, of course it is.
And you are motivated right now?
Yes, it is.
And you can
Very
do
much.
it?
Yes, I can do it.
Okay. Now, one question towards you. Should we understand and then we can produce, or we just blindly follow?
No, we should understand and then try to put our the knowledge. And then I would like to say thank you, Hafiz. Thanks for the opportunity because my confidence level has boosted up with this. I was afraid to give the test before, but now I'm so motivated and I think I can do it this
Okay,
time.
and we are looking for 79 or 90?
17.
We need 79. Definitely we can do this. So I know that you are getting bored sometimes. I know people are getting bored.
Yeah.
But the thing is like, if I want to make you summarize all the things, what do you say about this particular session?
It's my first time and I really enjoyed the session, and I got like most of the doubts cleared, and I think they are very, very helpful with everything, and that's it.
Okay, what do you expect from this after this session?
I have my exam day after.
Okay.
And I've learned a lot of things today, a lot of techniques, and I hope I'll practice tomorrow the full day, and I'm expecting 70.
So if you need any help tomorrow, definitely you can communicate with me through number. I have given my number and my email ID. I'll try my level best.
Sure, thank you.
Okay, thank you. I will not leave this place.
I would like to thank you guys for the support that given to us today. I was demotivated because I've attempted the test for a long time. Like
But now you are
more than
motivated.
10, yeah. So
You think you can crack it this time?
Of course.
Okay, all the best.
Thank you so much.
My friend.
Yeah, thanks for the session. It is very helpful for me. Until yesterday, I got some scariness about the exam, but today definitely I got the full confidence and I will get my desired score in my next attempt.
All the best. Thank you very much. My friend, could you please say something about us?
This is my first ever PTE tutorial, and I find both tutorials are really helpful, very supportive, and hoping that I'll be able to get my desired score and make PTE proud. And
Thank you very much. My friend.
Thank you, Hafiz, for this session. I have an exam in this Tuesday, so I can apply these strategies to get my desired scores.
And you must apply these things.
Yeah.
And if you need more support, you can communicate with us as well. Okay?
And all the best.
My friend?
Thanks for clearing all my doubts. It gave me confidence to get my score in the next attempt.
Thank you very much. And if you need any support, actually feel free to communicate with us.
Definitely.
Mr. Shagar, I know that you are desperate to get the score, and I know you will get the score. Now tell me how this session helps you.
I was very busy with my work, but I think after coming here, I'm very motivated because of the professional environment I've got. And the tutor, they're very energetic and full of enthusiasm, and they really motivate you. And most of my doubts are really, really clear. All I need to do is just pump myself.
Okay.
And
we are looking for candies from you, chocolates.
Yeah, I'll come tomorrow.
Okay, my friend.
I'll give you a good treat if I can.
I'm just at the end, and I think everyone has said everything. But I just want to say, like, as the course name indicates, like, it's 1 day super intensive. So it was a super intensive, but like super informative, and the people were super helpful.
Yeah.
And I hope, like, after getting the practice, I can score something.